Everybody, I want to make a quick video about the specs of the MagnetiConnect. I think we've all seen how it fits onto the phone or tablet, iPad, iPhone, Galaxy devices as well. I just want to point out that there is one factor that everyone should really consider when it comes to whether or not to use this or whether you can use it with your device as it's currently set up. And that has to do with this width that we see right here. So as you've probably seen in the images and in the videos, the MagnetiConnect, it slips over the device. So that's the beauty of it, because this clamp, this is what tightens it down and gives you the flexibility of applying it to varying widths of devices. The downside, though, is as with anything, there's going to be some degree of a limit. As you can see here, the maximum width of the device, including any protective cases, is going to be about 1.3 centimeters. Now, it's going to be pretty rare that this is an issue at all for anything that doesn't have the protective case. If you do have a case, as you can see in this image here, this phone, it has a case on it, but it's a pretty normal case. I say that because we do get some calls or emails from customers who are interested, but when it comes down to it, they're using iPads in the office that have really thick protective covers. And if that were to be used, yeah, there is a limit. You may not be able to use the MagnetiConnect with that case. So it's not to say you can't use the MagnetiConnect, because it'll fit over the iPhone or the iPad. It's that you can't use it with that iPhone or iPad or other device along with that style of a case, which is beyond this width. So just something to keep in mind. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.